Hi, welcome back to this course, and today we are going to be looking at changing symbology. So we're going to look at how to change color of a shapefile, a feature class, or anything you call it. Alright, so we have the map of the local government boundaries of Taraba State. So we just made one selection out, so we're going to look at how to change this as a single file. So once you click on it, all you need to do is just click here and then you can make any change. So any change you make will affect this. So you could also make this into a 0 to just have this like that. So any change you make by clicking this and it bringing this will affect the map. Let's say you want it like this and you make this a 0, it's also going to affect. Now we have the whole local government of a state here. We want to have them have different color, which is a second case study. How do we do that? So first you right click on this and then you go to properties. So under properties you go to symbology, and under symbology you go to categories, and on categories you have what do you want to use. Is it their name? If you're using name, that means each one will have a color. That is, each one will have a unique color. If you're using headquarters, it still has name too because it's the same. So if you're using geopolitical zone, it's going to group each geopolitical zone will have the same color. Now just like I did now, you see it just brought out the geopolitical zone, though I've not added it yet. Once I click on add values, you're going to see that these geopolitical zones have 3 colors. So if I click on apply, the 3 colors will manifest on this. So if I click on their names now and I click add, it's going to add everyone as a single entity, and then it's going to have different colors, which if I just come on the color realm here and make any change or adjustment, it will affect all of them. So this is how you can change color symbol depending on what you're working on. I've shown you how to work on the single and then the multiple. Alright, so basically if you're working on the geopolitical map, and once you click on add values here, the 3 will be added, and then once you click on this, it's going to come, and then once you make changes to the color ramp, then all will be affected. So you can see now that's how you can do that for a shapefile or a future class or anything. So this, I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next video.